I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by auditing what's using space so you act precisely. Open Settings, Storage, and note large categories like apps, images, and cache. Once you see the biggest consumers, backup photos and documents to cloud or a computer, make sure to plug into power and use Wi-Fi for faster transfers. You don't need to delete yet, you need a safe copy. After backup, proceed to targeted removals to free meaningful space without losing important data. Now clean and optimize deliberately. You should uninstall apps you haven't used in weeks and offload large app data where possible. This frees hundreds of megabytes or more. Then clear caches for heavy apps, social, streaming, and maps to reclaim transient storage. Next, move photos, videos, and downloads to an SD card or cloud storage. When available, convert new photos to HEIF or WEP to save space long-term. Once done, recheck storage to confirm gains. Finish by setting up ongoing prevention so you don't repeat this. Enable automatic backups and turn on Storage Saver or file compression in settings, and schedule regular cleanups with files by Google or Storage Manager. Make sure downloads and camera save locations point to SD or cloud. If space still won't free, consider adopting an SD card as internal storage or, as a last resort, factory reset after a full backup. Troubleshooting tip: if an app
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.